Indonesia is widely recognized for its extraordinary abundance of natural resources, a divine gift that serves as the foundation of our nation's creative industries. From the heart of central Java, in the historic city of Jepara, globally renowned for its legendary woodcraft heritage, we stand to elevate this tradition to new heights. We are Woodley Homes Indonesia. Through the dedication of seasoned professionals, we are committed to transforming premium natural materials into timeless masterpieces. Every step of our production is carried out with high precision and rigorous quality standards, ensuring products that are not only durable, but also carry profound aesthetic value. Woodley Homes Indonesia, where nature's finest resources meet professional craftsmanship to bring your dream spaces to life.